This morning on Create with Quimby, our DIY expert Shannon Quimby has a new project to help brighten up your winter. She made this beautiful wooden lantern that's sure to add some elegance to your home.
Absolutely. Shannon joins us live right now to walk us through how she crafted this homemade lantern. Good morning, Shannon.
Good morning, you two. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing just great.
Excellent.
Okay.
So yes, that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to show you this really easy peasy DIY it's a nice cozy project that actually can go from winter into the summertime. So it's kind of a year-long project that you can enjoy for the whole year.
Okay, and I see it right next to you and just a few materials in front of you. So yes, what materials are needed?
So you basically want to start with, this is a 3/4 inch square molding, and you want about 9 feet long, and then also just one flat piece of board. This is about a 1/2 inch, and have this cut at 7 inches. So I go down to Parr Lumber on MLK, talk to Kent, tell him I sent you, and he'll hook you up. Okay.
Great.
So you can use a chop saw, aka miter saw. You're going to need 4 pieces at 14 inches long, and you're going to need 8 pieces at 5.5 inches long. Now, the great thing about this DIY project, now, you don't have to have that. If you want something shorter, you can make it adjusting to what your style is or to the space that you use. I like to use a tall one because then I can use different sizes of candles in what I want to do with the DIY project. Okay? So the next step is that you just take some glue, and this process, it repeats. What you're going to do is you're going to glue, clamp, nail, and you're going to do it 3 times. So the first thing is you're going to take 2 of the 14 inch and 2 of the 5.5, add a little wood glue on the corners of the smaller pieces, and you're going to make a rectangle shape. It's kind of like, I don't know about you guys, but I had building blocks when I was a little kid.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Right? This is an easy clamp 6-inch quick release. I love these. And after you put the glue on the corners, you just clamp it together, and then you let it dry. And you're going to make a rectangle shape like this. Really easy, simple. Okay? Let it dry. So when you're done with that, I'll set this down. You're going to repeat the same process and make 2 of them. So you're going to have 2 rectangles.
All right.
Now, to reinforce, just get a 1-inch finish nail and a hammer. And I've started one right here. And just want to tap in the corners if you want to reinforce them, so it makes them really sturdy and durable, so you can use it all around the house.
Right. Keep it sturdy. Yes.
Exactly. So now we've used most of our pieces. We have 4 left of the 5.5, and once again, glue, clamp, nail. So you put glue on the edges, and we're going to build. We're going to build with our little building blocks here.
Little Lincoln logs.
I know. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh God, I love Lincoln logs. I still have mine. I still have my original ones, which are probably worth a lot of money right now.
Yeah, they probably are. They're collector's items.
Yeah, keep those or sell them.
Sure, I'm keeping mine. So here we go. So we got a rectangle frame box, and I glue, clamp, and nail. So that's an easy step. I'll break it down, and then you let it dry, and it becomes like this. Okay. Easy peasy. Now here's the last, remember I mentioned that base, that 7-inch square? Same thing again. You're going to put it here. That'll be your base. You're going to measure and center. Whoopsie. Glue. My own steps. I forgot my own steps.
Glue, clamp, nail.
Do not forget the glue.
Thank you, Emma. Thank you for listening. Glue, clamp, nail. Exactly. And then let it dry. And then the last fun thing, I know you can do, the great thing about DIYing is you can change it into whatever color you want, whatever shape or size. I use this Rust-Oleum. This is a satin dark walnut, and I just spray painted it to have this nice color, so it actually even looks kind of like metal.
No, that's beautiful. And
isn't that fun?
I mean, I've been so lazy in decorating my apartment. I have a couch and a TV, and I've been here for 5 months. After this weekend, I'm gonna have a lantern.
Yeah, I hear you.
A lantern, yeah.
That looks
with
beautiful.
A flameless candle, because it is wood.
Yes.
So if you wanted to, right? If you use a candle, a real candle, make sure you put a glass cylinder over it, you know, because it is wood. But these can be, you guys, these are really expensive. If you go into some of the retail shops,
Oh yeah.
you know, and this is just pennies. You know, this is like under $10.
Oh man, beautiful. And it's easy to put together. It looks great. It could go around any room in the house. Just remember, use a fake candle instead of a real one so you don't burn that and the house down.
Oh God.
So,
That's right.
all right.
And if you don't want to buy one, I'm giving this away. So remember this one, and I'll finish this one. So we got 2. So just go on Parr Lumber's Facebook page, take 2 people, and give them away.
All right. Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
Shannon Quimby, we love it when you come on the show, show us how to do stuff. Happy New Year to you. And for your chance to snag one of those lanterns, be sure to check out Shannon Quimby on Facebook.
Yes. And yeah, if you want to make one for yourself, we have all the instructions that you're going to need at KOIN.com.